Hello, collective. This is your tarot message or tarot card for today. Meron kayo ditong Messenger of Abundance. Wow, may magandang balita paparating sa inyo regarding your career. Pwedeng yung iba, itong magandang balita na to is a new job, a promotion, or acceptance into an excellent school. Ayan, para naman doon sa mga may anak na nakapasa ng exam sa magandang eskwela, university, high school, or anumang level yan. Okay, so some of you will get kung ano yung gusto ninyo relating sa inyong career, like promotion, or kung gusto nyo matanggap sa trabaho. You might feel ready to do something that's challenging and fulfilling. So, yung iba parang game na game kayo, no? Game na game kayong mag-explore ng bagong experiences. Ayan. Excited kayo kung ano man itong gusto ninyong gawin or sisimulan ninyong gawin, especially sa career or business. This situation may involve someone who's want to be around. So, pwedeng person din ito. Actually, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Sabi dito, this person is fun to be around and sometimes mischievous. So, either dinidescribe niya yung taong makaka-encounter mo a Taurus sign, or pwedeng Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign, or pwedeng ikaw yun. No, may ganong baka earth sign ka. Ayan, no, this person who may be you. Pwede kasing ikaw, or pwedeng yung tao na ma-encounter mo is an earth sign. Sabi, itong person na to is youthful, optimistic, and very clever. Ayan, yung iba kung ano man tong inaasam ninyo pagdating sa kabuhayan or sa pera, sa career, sa school, or any creative endeavor will be successful, will bring you excitement, inspiration, and then yung iba, good news. Yan, this is a confirmation na kung ano man yung hinihintay mo, it could be a yes or it could be a successful outcome. Okay? Take care. God bless.